Bago dapat isura. Balad-balad. Sindi-sindi. Where is my Biloga, good boy?
I think tomorrow I hope he will find a place for him to shower.
Because now, too much. You need too much
I
reservation.
told Salih, I told them in summertime,
Ah,
it's very, very hot.
mm.
Vivian, we give him shower outside.
Me and Joy, when Joy come in the house. Or maybe we can buy him the small swimming pool.
Yes, yes, we can.
You remember there's the small swimming pool? We put water
I
inside.
used to put for Salih.
Ah,
He was very young.
we can put Beluga there inside with the ball. He play alone.